Northside calling shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up out my face. Got my ex keep calling, swear that she be in the way. And I need a day red bone, shorty wild late. Bad bitch in LA.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did the whole spiel. So from the cutting of the lace to the install to the baby hairs to the styling to a review, I give you all the whole shebang. And can you believe these curls are still fluffy and intact? Like, get into it. So this wig is from UNice Hair. They sent me an 18-inch 13x4 body wave unit, and this is what it's giving. I love it. I'm in love with these curls. I actually used a new curling iron as well as a new hairspray, so stay tuned if you'd like to know the details. But I am so in love, y'all. When I tell you guys, this is my first time trying this curling iron, and my UNice wig has never looked better. Like, I am so in love. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this gorgeous melt, and yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Do y'all love it? Because I love it. Get into it. I love that I got a new curling iron. I invested in a new curling iron, and I also watched a couple curling tutorials. So I got put onto this Kendra working spray, and let me tell you, do you see these curls? They are so nice. I didn't even have to use the wig clips. As y'all could see, like, it was just so easy and simple to do. It was so quick to do. I mean, I got it done in under about 20 minutes, and that is just so perfect, because y'all, who wants to sit down and wait for their curls to set with some pins in for an hour, then take it out and get ready? Like, we just got it done. And I'm so happy that I used a UNice unit, because UNice Hair is really so bomb. Like, they have such good quality units, and I wouldn't recommend anything else. Like, UNice just does their thing every time. They always show out and give you the best of the best. So if you'd like to purchase this wig, again, this is their 18-inch body wave unit. I did go ahead and watercolor jet black so it could have like just some more character to it. And let me just tell you, I am so in love. I am so here for it. Like, get into this frontal. I love it, and I know the curls will fall and just fall like waves and just look so beautiful. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box to do so. So without further ado, I will see you all in my next one.